Stop! Don't skip this video. I'm sure you have been watching web design video for a long time, but don't know how to start it. You can also practice web design anywhere without installing any software. In this video, I'll show you how it can do that. So, let's get started. First, I will go to my web browser and search for testwp.com. You can sign up or not sign up as you wish. After clicking on Advanced Setup, you will get many options. You can install any theme you want here. Then click Agree with these terms and now click Set It Up. After waiting for some time, you will get a fresh website with a new password and username. You can log in here with just one click. And you must not use the website for more than 2 days. If you want, you can increase the duration if you are premium. You can also register your custom domain here. I will just show you how you can practice using it for free. You can do everything from installing plugins to installing themes, and you can of course edit here with Elementor Page Builder. I hope this website will be very useful for those who want to learn the basic of WordPress development to pro. I hope the video will help you a lot. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get such tips. So, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. See you soon.